Hello students, we have learned on creating series using list as well as creating series using dictionary. Now let us learn how to create series using range. We know that a range is a built-in function in Python and it is used to generate a sequence of numbers. Here in this example, we are having a list of numbers. Only the roll number of students from 1 to 5. So it is easy for us to assign the roll number of 5 students. Now let me show to you by running this program. That is the output of the program. Here you can see the list of number from 1 till 5. Another example is to display the marks of students. So now let us try to display the marks of students using list. If there are only few students, we can do this easily. We can just assign the values like shown here. Now you can see these are the marks of 5 students. Now we are printing these marks. So let me run this program for you. This side you can see the list of numbers. So these are the marks in the form of a list. So now coming back to the previous examples for roll number of students. What if we have so many roll numbers, more than 5? You might think of adding few more values separated by commas. That is possible if there are only 15 or 20 numbers. But what if there are 200 numbers? If you just separate the values by comma like this, the list will become very long or your line of codes will be lengthy. So to solve this problem, you can use Python function which is range. Remember, if you want to generate sequence of numbers, you can use a range function. So for example, let us take roll number of 200 students and convert those range of numbers into series. So here we will be using series function to convert the range into series. So here we will assume roll number from 1 till 200. Remember, it is n minus 1 because we start from 1. So here the last one is for the step. That means the step is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, serial number. So here we are displaying the roll number in form of series. Let me just write a range of numbers here so that when we run the programs, you will see what is the difference in the output. So here we have the output of the program. So you can see this is the list of numbers from roll number 1 till 7. The codes are from line number 5 till 8. It is for the list of numbers for roll number 1 till 7, as you can see here in the output. And here we have the range of numbers from 1 till 200. By using the range function here, you can see we have specified the range from 1 till 201. Because it starts from 1, it will end till n minus 1. That means 200, 1 minus 1, which is 200. So we have the roll number 200 as the last number. And here 1 is the step. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, like that till 200. The output is having two columns because it is a series. This number to the left side, as you can see, these are the indexes, whereas these numbers to the right side starting from 1, those are the values of the range, right, in these lines. Now let me show you another example using range to display the range of even numbers. So here we have the series name even numbers series. And we want to print the series of even numbers. So here we are printing. The range is from 2 because even numbers start from 2. It will end till 200. So the step here is also 2. For example, first even number is 2. Next is 2 plus 2, which is 4. Next 4 plus 2, and so on. That's why we mentioned 2. And here 201 is any numbers that mean the last limit of the range that you want. As you can see here in the output, we have till 200 starting with 2. So this is the range of even numbers. Here it starts by 2 because we mentioned 2. Next is 4 because 2 plus 2 is 4. And next is 6 and so on. As you can see here till 200 because 198 plus 2 is 200. If it is the range till 203, then the last number will be 202. My dear students, I hope that is clear about creating series using range. We shall meet again in the next video. Keep practicing and keep learning.